and gentlemen, we have the Viking German steel 15-piece cutlery set. If you are like me, who gets super frustrated, I got one of these for my my cousin, and I got one for my brother. And when I had Thanksgiving dinner over at my brother's house, he showed me the knife set, and I was so impressed. I loved it so much that I just ordered one myself. And I'm telling you guys right now, I am so excited because there is nothing more frustrating when you're trying to grill filet mignon, ribeye, New York strip, Polish sausages, chicken, and you can't even cut. I mean, you need a sharp, professional. I mean, you know, this is just for what we paid for it. This is so amazing. It's the best knife set ever, and we're gonna unbox this right now. Come on, babe, let's open it. I want to show these people. I already told them that.
Viking is German steel.
Oh, this is so amazing. This is the best knife set on planet Earth. You have to, I mean, highly recommend it.
Limited lifetime warranty.
Wait till you see how amazing this is. I mean, this is just phenomenal. Absolutely love this. Viking is, I mean, a world global brand, so it's not too surprising that they would make an amazing knife set. Wow, look at that. This is the huge wooden block. Oh, German craftsmanship. Absolute perfection. We love this Viking knife set. I'm so excited. I'm going to be grilling some, what am I grilling today? Filet mignon?
Yeah.
I'm going to be grilling some filet mignon. I can't wait to cut that meat with this amazing knife set. Wowzer, Mauser, Schauser.
So I'm going to wash all of these.
Of course. But you literally have every knife you can imagine. Serrated knife, steak knife. You've got the large butcher type style knife. I mean, you've got... Let me just open this one right here. Or open one of them. I want to show them the handle and the craftsman. Oh, look at that. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a man's butcher knife right there. This is super sharp, Sammy. Look at how gorgeous German steel. Holy macadamia nut. Oh, a bread knife. Hello, Dolly. Can I get a hello, Dolly? Sammy, give me a hello, Dolly.
Hello, Jolly.
Oh, you have no idea. This is like for a dad. This is like Christmas for a dad. That's the sharpening. Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, look how cool. Mommy's going to wash all these. Anyway, guys, I hope you absolutely finally... Oh, look at that. Holy mackerel. I hope you finally end the frustration of having an awful experience when you try to cut very thick any kind of meat. Chicken, fish, poultry. This is your ultimate knife set by the King Viking. Get it now. Highly recommend.